Here's how you go from this to this in just 2 days. Good morning. Welcome to my room. I have to move out of this very room in exactly 2 days. A little bit less than 2 days because it's 12:30 and I have to be out of here by noon on Tuesday. So, we kind of have our work cut out for us. There's definitely a lot to do, but I think it's manageable. So first, let's go get breakfast. Or it's technically lunchtime, but... Okay, it's 2 o'clock. I had my little dining hall breakfast. And then my friend came over. She's gonna study and offer me moral support while I sort through my clothes. Okay, so I actually have a bunch of suitcases under my bed and just a bunch of stuff that I use for storage throughout the year. So I just started off by emptying these out so I could use these as clean slates for travel suitcases or storage suitcases. So here I'm sorting through the different clothes I'm going to either keep in Canada over the summer or bring with me to California because I'm not doing the summer term. So in the duffel bag, you'll see a lot of winter clothes like sweaters, long sleeves, and then in the carry-on are more of my summer clothes that I can wear in the 40-degree California weather. Okay, well, I don't know if you heard that. I've been listening to a record and it just ended. It's been about an hour. I've gotten through a bunch of clothes. We got a bit of a messy situation going on with the floor, so I'm gonna clean that up. And then what we have to start doing next is... Actually, I still have a little bit more clothing to do. I'll be back. Sorry, that was a little bit of an abrupt ending. So let me fill in some gaps. I'm in California right now because it's been about a week since I moved out. But because I put off packing to the last minute, everything was really hectic. Like my room went from this to this to this in the span of like 40 hours. So the more stressed I got, the less I filmed. But there's some really key things from moving out that I didn't include. So those would be, first of all, changing your address because you're not living there anymore. So my address, I can say this now, it used to be 3012 East Towers, 8888 University Drive. And then I went to like my Amazon, any other websites you signed up with your address, and I just changed it to where I live now. The other thing is sorting out your trash. So you're gonna have obviously a lot of trash when you're cleaning out your room. Make sure that you sort it as best you can with the recycling bins. Cleaning your room. There's a lot more than just packing it up. So you gotta sweep your floors, wipe down all the surfaces, empty the drawers. You really just want your room to be clean for whoever's coming to it next. You also have to unplug your fridge, let it thaw out, or de-thaw, don't know what the terminology is. Also, your walls. I had to buy some paint with my friends because some of us had some scratches, marks. I wouldn't recommend command strips if you don't know how to take them off. I would say get blue tack or something like that. That's easy to fix. But yeah, that's all I have to say about move out. This kind of concludes my time at SFU residence, but it was such an incredible time there. Like, if you're a prospective SFU student, either first year, second year, you don't even have to be international, but I would really suggest trying to get in res because when I was applying to the school, I heard a lot of negative stuff about the social scene, people saying that it's hard to make friends and stuff, but I didn't experience any of that, and I truly believe it was because of res, because I don't know, the friend group that I finished the year with, we're all still in contact. They're some of the best people I've ever met, and I met them all within the first 2 weeks of being on res. And I think it just creates such a tight-knit community. Like, you live in such close quarters with your friends. Like, if you're having a rough time and you need to talk to someone, you can just go up to your friend's room and hang out. Or you want to have some fun, you go to Shell Basement. Eating with friends, you go to the dining hall. Like, just so many incredible memories made at the dining hall, in the common rooms, in the AQ at night. It's just such a fun time. And yeah, I would highly recommend it.